Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up a slow Shopify store. A faster store creates a better shopping experience, can improve your search engine rankings, and may even increase your conversion rate. The best part is that you can make noticeable improvements with just a few simple optimizations. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then click Themes. Find your current live theme and click the three-dot menu, then choose Edit Code only if you plan to remove unused custom code. If you recently installed apps that added scripts to your theme but you no longer use them, removing those unused scripts can improve your store's loading speed. If you're not comfortable editing code, it's best to skip this step or create a theme backup before making any changes. Next, return to Online Store and click Customize on your live theme. Review your homepage sections and remove any blocks that you no longer use, such as unused slideshows, videos, banners, or promotional sections. Every extra section can increase the amount of content your store loads, so keeping only the sections you actually need helps improve performance. Another important step is optimizing your images. Before uploading new product or banner images, compress them using an image optimization tool. Large image files are one of the most common reasons Shopify stores load slowly. Try using appropriately sized images instead of uploading files that are much larger than necessary. This can make a significant difference without affecting image quality. You should also review the apps installed on your store. Go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. If you notice apps that you're no longer using, uninstall them. Some apps continue loading scripts even if you rarely use their features, so removing unnecessary apps can reduce the amount of code your storefront loads. After making these changes, visit your storefront in an incognito or private browser window and test several pages, including your homepage, collection pages, and product pages. This allows you to see how your store performs from a visitor's perspective without relying on cached files. It's also a good idea to avoid uploading extremely large videos directly to your homepage whenever possible. If your theme supports it, consider using optimized video formats or limiting the number of autoplay videos so customers can access your content more quickly. If you've customized your theme over time, review any custom fonts or third-party widgets you've added. While these features can improve design, using too many at once may increase loading times. Keeping your design simple often results in a faster and smoother shopping experience. Finally, remember that Shopify already provides fast hosting and built-in performance optimizations. In many cases, improving your images, reducing unnecessary apps, and keeping your theme lightweight are the biggest factors you can control. After completing your optimizations, monitor your store over the next few days. Browse different pages on desktop and mobile, and ask a friend or colleague to test the site from another device. This helps confirm your changes improved the experience for real visitors. And that's it. That's how to speed up a slow Shopify store. By optimizing images, removing unnecessary apps and sections, and keeping your theme lightweight, you can create a faster, more responsive storefront that keeps customers engaged and ready to shop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.